Hi friends! Today I want to show you the perfect accessory for your room. If you don't like to sleep in the dark, this is your best friend. This is a table lamp and it's rechargeable, so you can move it in any moment for all your room because you don't have to connect your lamp. So let me show you. This one is black. Look, so beautiful. Came with this cable for the charger that is USB and C. I don't know if you can see, but it is. Let me open it. Look. So now the lamp, so easy to use. So you can put in a children's room because you just have to make this. And ready. You can choose the intensity of the light. You can choose just the light down or the light down and up or off. So it's perfect for your room. You can buy it in other beautiful colors, but I think the black is perfect. So I highly recommend it. See you.